I,
P K Mishra, having been appointed as the lokayukta under the Goa Lokayukta Act 2011, do hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or injury.
लोकायुक्ता नेमणूक जाली ताच्या बरोबर दोन गजालींची आवश्यकता आसता. ताका आवश्यक मॅन पावर दिवंक जाय आनी योग्य ऑफिस दिवंक जाय, निवास ताची वेवस्था करूंक जाय. आमी तिनूय ह्या गजालीचेर वी हॅव वर्कड ऑन. पयलींचें ऑफिस एक गव्हर्मेंट गेस्ट हावज जावन आसा. लोकायुक्त नासल्यामुळे स्टाफ कमी जाल्लो. आतां आमी तो सादारण 15-16 व्हेला आनी ती जागाय अपुरी आसली. त्यामुळे नवीन जागा आमी जे ओल्ड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज रायबंदर आसा थंय शिफ्ट करतात. PWD काम दिलां. युद्ध पातळीचेर भितरलें पार्टिशनींग जें कितें करूंक जाय तें करप चालू आसा.
Within next 6 months?
Within 1 month.
First priority, they have to go to the office, find out what is there available, what are the provisions, etc. It's all because I am concerned, I have not seen what are the functions. Functions of course I know what are the. So one has to act according to the provisions. There is the provision. One will act only according to that. The minister was saying that 16 patients, but I have not seen. I have to go there and find out.